Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Quadratic Equations. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. So guys, that is what the question is being given, and we need to find out whether this particular situation is possible or not. Now, let us move ahead and try to solve this question or solve this equation. We do not know as per the question there are two friends. Let the name of the two friends be A and B. Let the two friends be A and B. So we are considering, or we are giving the name of the two friends as A and B. Now let their ages be A is equal to X years, because we do not know their ages, and B is equal to Y years. Now, as per the question, the sum of their ages is 20 years. That means X plus Y is equal to 20 years. This is what is being given in the question. This is given in the question. Or I can write Y is equal to 20 minus X. Let us make this one as equation 1. So guys, what I did with the sum of their ages is 20 years, that is being given in the question. And again, after solving, like I can write Y is equal to 20 minus X, or I can take X is equal to 20 minus Y. So here I just took Y is equal to 20 minus X. That means the age of Y is equal to 20 minus the age of A. This is one what is being given. Now, as per the question, the product of their ages 4 years ago is 48. So let us first of all find out what their age would be back 4 years back. So 4 years ago their age will be 4 years back. Their age will be A is equal to X minus 4, because the current age is X years of A and the current age of B is Y years. So similarly, before 4 years it will be just 4. Hope guys, till here we are pretty clear. Just we are considering the age, we are now calculating the age, what the age would be before 4 years. So before 4 years their age will be A is equal to X minus 4 and B is equal to Y minus 4. And as per the question, the product of their age before 4 years is 48. That means X minus 4 into Y minus 4 is equal to 48. This is what again is being given in the question. Now let us replace the value of Y here from equation 1. Now in this step I am going to replace the value of Y from equation 1. So I can write X minus 4, and instead of Y I can consider 20 minus X minus 4 is equal to 48. Hope guys, till here we are pretty clear. Or I can write X minus 4 and 20 minus X minus 4. 20 minus 4 is 16. So 16 minus X is equal to 48. Or let us multiply this. We can get 16X minus X to the power 2 minus 84 plus 4X is equal to 48. Because X into 16 is 16X, X into X is minus X to the power 2, minus 4 into 16 is minus 84, minus 4 into minus X is plus 4X. Or now let us rearrange this equation. I can write minus X to the power 2 plus 16X plus 4X minus 84 is equal to 48. So guys, just I rearranged this particular equation. Or I can write minus X to the power 2 plus 20X minus 84 is equal to 48. Guys, just solving this equation. Till here, I believe we all are pretty clear. Now, I can write or x or minus x to the power 2 plus 20x minus 84 minus 48 is equal to 0. Just moving 48 from the right side to the left side. Or I can write minus x to the power 2 plus 20x minus 132 is equal to 0. This is what we got. We are going to get a quadratic equation, but in order to make it a quadratic equation, we should remove this negative sign from this x to the power 2. So in order to remove this negative sign, I am going to multiply minus 1 to both sides of this equation. So I'm just multiplying minus 1 to both sides of the equation in order to eliminate this negative sign from x to the power 2. So minus 1 into minus x to the power 2 plus 20x minus 132 is equal to minus 1 into 0. Guys, we very well know if we multiply the same thing to both sides of the equation, the resultant equation still remains the same. Or minus 1 into minus x to the power 2 is x to the power 2 minus 20x plus 132 is equal to 0. So guys, now you could see that we got a quadratic equation here. Now let us solve this quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Guys, I am going to solve this quadratic equation using quadratic formula. You people can use any other formulas that you people feel comfortable. The any other formula in the sense that apart from this, there are two other formulas. One is factorization method and the other one is completing the square method. So out of these three formulas, whatever the formula or whatever the method you people are confident, you can use that. So quadratic formula is given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now let us derive what is a, what is b, and what is c from this from the above quadratic equation. From the above quadratic equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20, and c is equal to 132. Now let us replace these values and find out b square minus 4ac first. B square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is nothing but minus 20 square minus 4 into a value is 1 into 132. Or b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 20 into minus 20 is 400 plus 400 minus 4 into 1 is 4, and then the rest we will get 4 to the 8, 4 to the 528. Or I can write b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 128. So guys, after solving this equation, we could see that we got b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 128. Guys, we very well know that what will happen if the determinant value is, if the determinant is less than 0, then no real roots exists. No real roots exists. So this is what we got, because here the determinant means here we got b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 128, means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Therefore, as b square minus 4ac is less than 0, as b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so no real roots are there for this equation, That's all guys. We cannot solve this equation as we could not find any real roots, so we cannot move further ahead. So we can say that, because the question asked us whether it is possible or not. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine the present ages. So we can say that the following situation is not at all possible. The following situation is not at all possible. all possible. Why? Because we calculated that the determinant value is less than 0 because b square minus 4ac is less than 0. When b square minus 4ac is less than 0, we will not get any real values or real roots of x. So for that reason, we took a conclusion that the following situation is not at all possible. Hope guys you understood this calculation or this process, how we try to solve out. But still, if you have any questions or doubt, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.